Are you suffering from a bad cough in recent days? Try Chinese herbal formulae to get rid of it as soon as possible. Case 1. Dry cough or cough caused by cold, flu. You can try Yin Qiao Jie capsules or pills for 1-2 weeks, and your dry cough should be gone. Suggestion: drink more lemon water room temperature with a teaspoon of honey for adults, 2 cups a day. Not suitable for kids under 1 year old. Case 2. Cough with yellow or green phlegm. You can try Zhuhong capsules or pills and Yin Qiao Jie capsules or pills for 3-4 weeks, and your symptoms will be much reduced or gone. Suggestion: no coffee, no chocolate, and no chili at all during the treatment. Case 3. Cough with clear phlegm. You can try Ma Xing Zhi Ke tablets for 3-4 weeks, and your symptoms will be mild or gone. Suggestion: stop to drink cold water and eat cold food during the treatment. Case 4. Cough caused by acid reflux. You can try Baohe capsules or pills for 5-6 weeks, and your symptoms will be much improved or gone. Suggestion: drink more soda water. Case 5. Cough caused by serious hay fever. You can try Fang Xin Yi capsules or pills and Yin Qiao Jie capsules or pills for 6-7 weeks, and your symptoms will be much reduced or gone. Suggestion: drink more soda water. Case 6. Constant cough with phlegm due to chronic bronchitis. You can try Fu Fang Gan cow tablets for 8-10 weeks, or a specific herbal prescription, which requires a picture of your tongue for consultation. Suggestion: no coffee, no chocolate, no chili, and no smoking at all during the treatment. These are only 6 common cases. If your condition is complicated, you can send me a picture of your tongue for a consultation. Accurate diagnosis is most important for choosing the right herbal formulae, which can relieve or resolve your problems quickly. Most TCM doctors are very good at treating cough-related problems in a short period of time because they address the root causes of cough. For over 2,000 years, TCM has effectively treated many health issues, including various types of cough, using Chinese herbal formulae. Their accredited use in China has gradually led to the acceptance of traditional Chinese medicine worldwide. Appointments for consultation or treatment can be made via https://liliesclinic.co.uk if needed. Welcome to Lily's Clinic for consultation and treatment. This video should help you find the most appropriate treatment for you. If you find it helpful, please press the like button for more views.